Hey guys, it's Ola Tony here. As you can see, I'm in the profits on Euro AUD. So I will show you guys how I entered this trade. And I want to welcome our new members. Please endeavor to subscribe. I'm a Forex trader. I created this account. Majorly to help Forex trader become more profitable, because a lot of people are not profitable, and there are a lot of strategies and knowledge you could maybe like add to your portfolio to make you more profitable. So I took it by myself to always upload videos daily for everyone so that we can be more profitable. So let's dive into the video. Let me show you guys how I entered this trade. So this is how I entered this trade. But before I explain to you guys, let me explain what we have here. This is my main chart. I'm currently on the 15 minutes, and this is the main chart, and this is the indicator window 1. On the main chart, we only have our charts. Then on the indicator window 1, we have our RSI, Bollinger Band, and a moving average. So let me quickly show you guys the setup for that. So we have RSI. So RSI period 1, apply to close, levels 90, levels also strong sell 90, strong buy 10, sell put 80, buy 0.20. So that's just it. Done. Then okay, our Bollinger Band, this is the inputs. So our period, we have 35, shift 0, deviation 2.0, apply to close. Then that's all. Then I used green as my color. You can use any other color of your choice. So the moving average, we have period 5, shift 0, method simple, apply to close, then levels, then style. Our style is red. So that's how it is. So that is that about that. So let me proceed on how I entered this trade. Now this strategy is very simple, but you need to be very careful. It's very, very powerful and profitable, but you need to be careful. So guys, listen attentively. So for us to enter a sell, our Bollinger Band is green one. So this red moving average and the Bollinger Band must be above the level 90 or touches the level 90. This is for strong sell. If it's just for normal sell, you can, when it gets to 80, you can take it to, you understand. But for more and more profitable trades, you can use the strong sell level. So when it crosses it, so the red and the green must crosses themselves approaching downwards before we can enter the trade. That is just it, basically, nothing much. And our stop loss will be above the weak rejection, above the last high here. So this is where our stop loss will be. Then our take profits will be, take profit 1 will be here, then take profit 2 will be here. Then you can set up, maybe you can check the chart and confirm to know the confluence points, to know the next resistance or support level, to find the key levels you get. So but to be on the safer side, this is your TP1 and your TP2, you get. So this strategy is very, very rewarding, because just applying this has given you an edge and a very high risk to reward ratio. So let's look at another example for sell. Let's look at sell, buy, I mean. So this is one here. It's a strong buy. So that it touches the green and the red, touches this strong buy, crossing it upward. So what do we do here? We enter for a buy. We can see that price drove from here, smash our first TP, then smashed the second one, then still proceeded. This is just a retracement, you understand? So it just depends on how many balls you have or how you decide to trade. But entering the market here and starting your stop loss here, this is close to 1:10, or if I'm not making up, 1:12. You understand? So this is a very, very powerful strategy. We can see we are in plus 200 now. Plus 200 now because the price is still coming down. Price is still coming down. This is a marvelous strategy which I use to double my account, and it's very, very powerful and good, guys. It's tested and trusted. So let me look for one more opportunity before. Let me look for one more opportunity. Let's check. So we found this one. You can see the normal sell. It couldn't but this was a good trade for us because it smashed all our TP. So you see, it touches, the red touches the 80 points and the green touches it, then they cross themselves going downwards. So you enter your sell, put your stop loss above here, then TP1 smash, TP2 smash. So that's it, guys. Very simple and smart. So this is a very, 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 very cool strategy which I want you guys to input it in your trading, because I've been testing this strategy and it has been very, very profitable. We can see another one. Touches it, crosses it above, TP1 smash, TP2 smashed. So guys, that is that on that. So I want you guys to try this strategy out and let me know in the comment section. So I welcome our new viewers. My name is Ola Tony. So I'm here to share my wealth of experience in the forex market. I've been a trader plus 6 years now. So I created this channel majorly to educate forex trader on how they can be more profitable. So, and I've made it as a duty for me to always provide content daily, knowledge on how we can outsmart the market. So that's a wrap for me.